Jeff, Victoria Police has recently issued a warning to automotive businesses in metropolitan Melbourne, warning against ram raid attacks on their premises. What can VACC members do to protect themselves?
Look, thanks, David. Look, a lot of this is about people getting tools out of workshops and selling those tools in the black market. The police recommend things like CCTV cameras, but particularly the ones that send messages directly to your phone if there's movement in the workshop. Monitored alarms are a good idea, three-hinged doors. Seek a council permit where you can to put bollards in it, removable bollards as well. But most importantly, advice from the Victorian Police is to actually use a licence number with the letter V in front of it to mark your tools. Often when they track down these villains and they find a shed or a house full of tools, they don't know who they belong to. So the strongest piece of advice there is to mark the tools in the workshop with a V and a driving licence number so they know where to provide these tools back to. Bollards, CCTV, but anything that monitors straight back to your phone so you can actually get the police in there as soon as possible.